Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how to remove these green stones from this chain. So let's start the video. So this is called Mangalsutra here. So it has small green stones in it. I am going to show you how to remove these stones. So the process is very simple. So let's start. So here it is guys. Here as you can see I have removed the stone from the jewelry. So that's it in today's video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.